Good morning to all. I am going to talk about the top 10 technology challenges to conquer for digital transformation with regard to security aspects. Technology is progressing and so are the challenges that surround it. These challenges grow multifold if we take into consideration the concerns that come from COVID-19 pandemic and business resiliency bottlenecks from the perspective of information security, risk management, data security and big data are the biggest challenges that businesses need to overcome concerning how to protect their data. Internet of Things, electronic tagging and tracking of objects and people with barcodes, RFID devices, and other technologies leave public data open about an individual's locations, movements, and status. Internet of Things is on the cusp of becoming reality. While it may offer many benefits to businesses, the privacy issues posed by Internet of Things are similar to the issues surrounding big data. Cloud computing. Cloud computing continues to show a great promise to assure major cost savings for businesses and convenience for consumers. Concerns of privacy and data security in the cloud will be critical bottlenecks for businesses. Yet, as more software applications and other computing resources are hosted and accessed online in the cloud, data privacy and security risks would be increases. Contracting would and licensing norms are evolving, getting complex and increasingly difficult to manage. Open source architecture, non-proprietary open source software applications have a lot to offer, which include cost savings, but compliance with open source licenses terms would prove to be tricky. The use of open source software can compromise ownership of company software if not handled properly. Data protection. Forward thinking organizing are now implementing privacy by designing in their products but making sure those efforts meet GDPR standards is a long debated concern. Google, for example, just saw a record fined by French regulators over how the company collects the French users' data. Data security challenges. Data security concerns posed by technological advances will be a significant concern in the year ahead. Data related issues permeate across the enterprises, leaving data pipelines exposed means data spillage, increasing the possibilities for data breaches. While data regulations continue to raise data standards for security practices, dynamic in enterprises also expect greater accountability for these standards. Big data. This is the world of big data. Computer and connected devices users create over 2.5 quintillion bytes of data daily. Technologies to analyze, use, and in some cases commercialize such vast amounts of data will be a priority. These devices would begin to be more widely deployed. However, the significant productly gains and commercial opportunities would be offset by serious security concern and encroachment and privacy. Major issues will include would should control and be compensated for each data. Social data privacy. Widespread business use of social media tools, communication with stakeholders must fathom with each other to honor data governments and acceptable practices. This would ensure compliance with applicable terms. Multi-cloud security. When exploring new cloud-based service, CIOs now need to ask about security across the multiple platforms as they move about to the cloud for business continuity. Mobile payments. Several consumer surveys, studies, and surveys point and if businesses keep a better track of mobile network and customer keep a better vigilance over their phone malicious phone payments, misdirected payments, unauthorized access, and accountable balance mistakes can be tracked and taken care of. Wearable technology. Google Glass, computer watches, and other wearable computing devices push the boundary of mobile computing even further than the founders of the current smartphones and tablets. They integrate biometric monitoring to offer potential convenience, but all these come with additional risks involved. The privacy, security, and liability issues with such devices will likely uh, miniature concerns that are raised by our own wearable mobile handsets.